Okay, in this video, I will go over the other side of parallel line here. And don't worry, this is even easier here. If you look at the question, it says write an equation of the line that passes through the point -2, 7 and is parallel to this. And again, if you want to be parallel, if two lines are parallel, they should have exactly same slope. So everything is given to us already. We have -2, 7, and we have a slope here. If you look at here, I just copied it from here. Our slope is -3/2. So unlike here, we don't have to worry about finding slope because it is just given to us like this. And we have some small problem of plugging this one in. So y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. And y minus, here, x1 and y1. y1 is 7 equals, our slope in this case is -3/2. X minus, our x1 is what? -2? Here. And let's simplify. Y minus 7, I just removed parentheses, -3/2. And here we have negative here and we have a negative here, so this one becomes positive, x plus 2 here. But unfortunately, our slope is negative. So if we distribute -3/2 times x is -3/2x. But here, let's make a side note. -3/2 times +2. This one, if you simplify, this one becomes -3, just like that. So it's gonna be -3 or -3, whichever makes you happy. And we still have last step, plus 7, which gives you y equals -3/2x. -3 plus 7 is +4. So this is the line that is parallel to this equation. And if you notice, again, they have exactly same slope, just different y-intercept. Now this question, these two questions, they are exactly same thing. It's very easy. Try it by yourself. But these 4 questions in the bottom, they are a bit more challenging. I didn't say they are difficult, it is a bit challenging compared to the first one. Because if you notice here, this is in standard form, unlike this one. Do you see the difference? This one has y equals something. But this one, x comes first, which means before we do anything, first we have to change everything into slope-intercept form. So let's do this. First, let's get rid of x first. Minus x both sides. So this will cancel out. We have -3y equals 9 minus x. Now, how can you get rid of this -3? It's not +3, it's divide. Like this. So this will cancel away. We have y equals 3 divided by -3 is gonna be just -3. And here, if you notice, we have a negative on the top, negative on the bottom. So this one becomes positive, x/3. And here's the thing. Do you see this x/3? This one is same as positive 1/3x. Okay? So this is same as y is equal to 1/3x minus 3. And what I just did is I just switched order of this. But that's not the problem. What we want to find is a parallel line. So we did all this hard work to find this slope here, which is 1/3. And other than that, we have everything here. 3, comma, -1. And slope is 1/3. And slope, I got it from here in the bottom. And 3 and -1, I got it from here. Right? x1, y1. Let's do this here. Y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. So y1 in this case is -1. And slope is 1/3. And x minus x1 is what? 3, right? Let me just put 3 without parentheses. Yeah, let's do this. No, actually, let's put parentheses here. Here. Do you see these two negatives? This one become positive, so it's going to be y plus 1 equals 1/3. Again here, this one, there's no parenthesis inside 3, so it's going to be just x minus 3 here. And again, if you distribute, it's going to be y plus 1, 1/3 x. Now here, again, side note, 1/3 times -3. And here, 1 times -3 is going to be -3. 3 times 1 is 3. Again, here we have one negative, so this number is going to be no matter what, negative. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Okay? So it's going to be 1/3x minus 1 here. We're not done yet. We still have to subtract -1 both sides. So that this cancel away. We have y equals 1/3 x. -1 minus 1 is going to be -2. Don't say this is going to be +1 or +2 or 0. And that's it. I think this is enough. Now try these 3 questions by yourself. Alright?